In today's dynamic business landscape, juggling projects, teams, clients, and finances can feel like a high-wire act without a safety net. This is where robust project management software steps in, offering a centralized platform to streamline operations and foster efficiency. Among the myriad of options available, Scoro stands out as a comprehensive solution designed to connect every facet of your business. For those venturing into the realm of project management or seeking a deeper understanding of how modern software can revolutionize workflows, grasping the operational framework of a tool like Scoro is invaluable. This video aims to demystify Scoro's core functionalities, explaining its key features and how they intertwine to create a cohesive project management ecosystem. We'll explore its operations from the ground up, using simple language and avoiding jargon, making it accessible for learners and those aiming to educate others on this powerful platform. The central tenet: integrated workflow management. At its heart, Scoro operates on the principle of integrated workflow management. Unlike disparate tools that address individual aspects of business operations, Scoro aims to be an all-in-one platform. This means it seamlessly connects sales, project management, time tracking, task management, billing, and reporting within a single unified environment. This integration eliminates the need for constant data transfer between different systems, reducing errors, saving time, and providing a holistic view of your business performance. 1. Sales and CRM integration, laying the foundation. Scoro's operational flow often begins with the sales process. Its integrated customer relationship management (CRM) module allows businesses to manage leads, track interactions, and nurture potential clients. Here's how it operates. Lead management. Scoro enables the creation and organization of leads, capturing crucial information such as contact details, potential deal value, and source. This allows sales teams to prioritize and manage their pipeline effectively. Deal tracking. The platform facilitates the tracking of sales opportunities through various stages, from initial contact to closure. Sales teams can log activities, schedule follow-ups, and attach relevant documents, ensuring a clear overview of each deal's progress. Quotation and proposal generation. Scoro often includes features for creating professional quotations and proposals directly within the system. This streamlines the process of presenting offerings to potential clients, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Customer database. The CRM acts as a central repository for all customer information, including contact details, communication history, and past interactions. This allows for personalized communication and stronger client relationships. By integrating the sales process directly with project management, Scoro ensures a smooth transition from winning a deal to initiating the project. Information gathered during the sales phase, such as client requirements and agreed-upon budgets, can be seamlessly transferred to the project management module, setting a solid foundation for successful execution. 2. Project planning and management, the core engine. Once a deal is secured, Scoro's project management capabilities take center stage. This module is designed to organize, plan, and execute projects efficiently. Key operational aspects include project creation and definition. Users can create new projects, define their scope, set deadlines, and allocate resources. This initial stage involves outlining the project's objectives, deliverables, and key milestones. Task breakdown and assignment. Projects are typically broken down into smaller, manageable tasks. Scoro allows for the creation of tasks, assignment to specific team members, setting due dates, and defining dependencies between tasks. This ensures clarity of responsibilities and a structured approach to project completion. Gantt charts and timeline visualization. Scoro often utilizes Gantt charts to visually represent project timelines, task durations, and dependencies. This provides a clear overview of the project schedule and helps identify potential bottlenecks. Resource allocation and management. Efficient resource allocation is crucial for project success. Scoro allows project managers to assign team members to specific tasks, track their availability, and manage workload to avoid over- or underutilization. Progress tracking and monitoring. The platform enables real-time tracking of project progress, allowing users to monitor task completion, identify delays, and take corrective actions as needed. Visual dashboards and progress reports provide valuable insights into project status. Collaboration and communication. Scoro often facilitates team collaboration through features like task-specific discussions, file sharing, and internal communication tools. This ensures that all team members are on the same page and can communicate effectively. The project management module in Scoro acts as the central hub for all project-related activities, ensuring that projects are planned, executed, and monitored in a structured and organized manner. 3. Time tracking and timesheets. Capturing effort and enhancing accuracy. Accurate time tracking is essential for project costing, billing, and performance analysis. Scoro's time tracking features allow team members to log the time spent on specific tasks and projects. The operational aspects include manual and timer-based tracking. Users can manually enter the time spent on tasks or utilize built-in timers to track their work in real time. This provides flexibility based on individual preferences and task requirements. Timesheet submission and approval. Team members typically submit their timesheets for review and approval by project managers or supervisors. This ensures accuracy and accountability in time reporting. Integration with project tasks. Time entries are usually linked to specific project tasks, providing a clear understanding of the effort spent on different aspects of a project. Reporting and analysis. Scoro generates reports based on tracked time, allowing for analysis of team productivity, project profitability, and resource utilization. This data is invaluable for making informed decisions about project management and resource allocation. Efficient time tracking within Scoro not only ensures accurate billing but also provides valuable data for optimizing project workflows and improving team efficiency. 4. Task management, organizing individual and team workloads. Beyond project-specific tasks, Scoro also offers robust task management functionalities for organizing individual and team workloads. This helps in managing daily activities and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Key operational aspects include task creation and assignment. Users can create individual or team tasks, set deadlines, and assign responsibility. Task prioritization and categorization. Scoro often allows for the prioritization of tasks and categorization based on urgency or type, helping users focus on the most important activities. Progress tracking and updates. Users can update the status of their tasks, providing visibility into their progress. Reminders and notifications. The system often includes reminders and notifications to ensure that tasks are completed on time. The task management features in Scoro contribute to overall productivity and organization, both at the individual and team levels.